Okay, target audio, Qualcomm Android player. For right hand side driver setting, go to factory setting, password 2468. Okay, original cassette. If you want to change your language setting, you can set it. Okay, right hand side driver, scroll it down, driver position. Now is left, so you have to change to right hand side. Malaysia driver is right hand side. Okay, back to home. After you change the right hand side driver, so the home screen, the template will switch it. The time will on the right. So this is a right hand side driver setting. Target audio Android player. Thank you.